For a while now, we've been looking for a fridge to sell that fits the Frontrunner DNA. We've been running a Dometic, the blue-colored, earlier incarnation of this model here for the last few months in our trucks with flawless results. Since Dometic was primarily known for supplying fridges to the RV and marine communities, we thought we'd create a test to prove to you that this Dometic is durable and rugged enough for off-road vehicle-based adventures. We built a shaker table. We put a concrete vibration motor under this plywood which is bolted to the tire. Then we strapped the Dometic Fridge to a Frontrunner fridge slide and mounted it to the plywood. We've got the clock cam, the console cam, and the Hula cam. This model fridge, the CFX50W, holds 50 liters and can run as a fridge or a freezer. We have some test subjects here, and we're going to run this in fridge mode. We can control the vibrations and dial in a sweet spot, and we think mimics driving on seriously challenging corrugated gravel or dirt roads. And we're going to run the fridge on it for 8 hours a day, 5 days straight. Is the Dometic Fridge strong, dependable, off-road tough enough to withstand the stress a Frontrunner customer might put it through? Watch and find out. Can't let this go to waste. Let's have the resident sugar addict tested. I'd put your mouth over it. Is it ice cold? Frosty? Oh, there it is. This Dometic Fridge is tough, it can take the abuse, and has the Frontrunner Hula Girl seal of approval.